Hi guys, I bought this the other day. This is a Fero Feldman 23 jewel. Nice little watch. It didn't come with a strap and it was a little bit grubby. I've given it a good clean up. I've put it on this strap which I already had knocking around. It's got very interesting, it's gold plated with an interesting kind of engraved or machined case, as you can see. And the face also really is quite nice. With the kind of horizontal lines and the big square indices. It's all quite striking. And we've got the little date window. And as you can see, it's not actually working. I couldn't get it working. I mean, I bought it as non-working, but sometimes I thought it just might be overwound and maybe I could get it going again. But I can't find how to unwind the overwind. There's usually a little clip which you can kind of pull across, and by holding the crown, let the overwind spin back out. I'll show you what I mean. Let's unscrew the back. Extremely slippery place. Usually these things locate pretty well, but this, for some reason, is extremely slippery. Right. I mean, the balance wheel is quite free and it moves, but it won't tick. And I can't see a way inside there to release the overwind, so I'm just going to leave it be. I'll probably put this back onto eBay in the future, and hopefully someone will be able to get it going. There was actually a hair inside the case on top of the dial, which I thought I've got to get out. First I thought it was a crack, and then kind of like magnifying, I could see it was a hair. So even though I've got a rubbish set of screwdrivers, I managed to sharpen up one of my rubbish screwdrivers enough that it would actually undo the screw that holds on the crown. So once I removed the crown, I could then take the movement out and remove the hair, and gave the dial a slight clean up at the same time, and put it all back and managed to screw the screw up. So that's all working. Let's put it on, show you what it looks like. So on my 6.5 inch wrist, it's got quite a classic style to it. It looks pretty smart. Now I paid £7 for this. I mean, delivered £10. So I'm probably going to be out of pocket when I come to sell it. Although online I have found a couple of these and they're around kind of £30–40 mark. So I might get lucky, and it is a very nice example. It just needs someone to get it going, give it a service, whatever it needs. Yeah, it's really not bad looking, I like it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, take care.